Hi, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a DIY which will brighten your skin and also remove a lot of dead cells from your skin. So let's see what do we have in our kitchen. So the first ingredient that we're going to use is red beans, which is also known as rajma. Yes. This has a lot of brightening properties for the skin. It has a lot of minerals and potassium as well. So all you need to do is you need to take some red beans and just grind it into a form of powder like this. The next ingredient that we're going to use is curd. This is full fat yogurt or curd. And this is optional. If you have, it's fine. If you don't need anything else. You can use an orange, which is one piece of orange, or few drops of lemon. This can be used on your body as well. So I'm going to make a little more because I need to scrub my elbows and my knees. Okay. To this portion, this is close to 2 tablespoons of red bean powder. To that, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of yogurt. And to this, I'm going to add orange juice. Eee. Really? Just give me a minute. I'm going to just clean up the mess that the orange juice created. Mix this all really well and make it into a paste. The consistency should be somewhat like a proper paste. Okay. Now I have cleaned my face, washed my face thoroughly, and I'm going to start applying it with my hands. And leave this mask for close to 15-20 minutes or till the mask is semi-dry. Once it dries up, then all you need to do is wet your hands with warm water and scrub your face in circular motion or any part of your body where you've applied this mask. Alright, let it dry and I'll be back. So my mask has dried and I'm just going to go to my wash basin. And I'm going to wash this face mask with circular motion and I'll be back after my face wash. So I have cleaned my face and if you can see, the face really looks bright and clean. It's very soft as well. Just going to pat dry it. And another important thing that you need to do after pat drying your face is add some ice. I'm going to take 1 cube of ice and put it in a muslin cloth or dupatta and just dab it on the skin. This will instantly close your pores and give you a very refreshing feeling. This is done. You can also use your toner. It's not necessary to use ice, but ice kind of gives you a very refreshing, very cool, and also shrinks your pores much faster. After this, I'm not going to wipe my face because my serum requires me to wet my face. So I'm going to apply my serum over this. I'm going to let this dry for some time and then apply my favorite moisturizer. Then I'm going to apply my favorite moisturizer. And massage your face really well. Apply your lip balm. And you're done. Can you see how fresh and bright the skin looks? Try this face mask at home and do tell me how it was. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for supporting me. I love you all. Mwah. Take care of yourself, be home, be safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.